Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back for another video. So for today, we're going to be installing our Perrin cold air intake. We're going to be removing the stock air intake and the air box, and we're going to be swapping in our new Perrin cold air intake. For those of you that may wonder, what is an intake for? So it brings outside air, filters it, and sends it to the turbo, which compresses it to pack in more oxygen. That is cooled by the intercooler and pushed into the engine, helping it burn fuel more efficiently and make more power. So the aftermarket Perrin cold air intake, it will help air flow a bit more linear and a bit more freely to the turbo. So the airflow won't be hindered and it's not going to be obstructed in any way. So that means you can have better performance, a bit more fun when driving. Good sounds. So without further ado, let's install this one.